guys, I'm here with YWigs once more today again. I'm happy. YWigs is such a freaking one for me. You know, same packaging as last time, so let's just jump into it and see what we got in today's package. So I got this wig cap, the wig of course, and the only thing else that I got was a extra elastic band. So that's it for the package. So for today's wig, and it already came with a center part. Alright, cool. So for today, oh my gosh, this is so nicely pre-plucked. Wow, okay. Alright, so this is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's 20 inches long. It's a natural color and it's body wave, as you guys can see. It's nice and wavy, and it's a free part. So let me show you guys the construction. This is how it looks on the inside. As I said, it's 13 by 6. Nice deep part, 4 combs in total on the inside, extra elastic band on inside for more security, and you know, adjustable straps in the back. There's how it looks, and we're gonna jump into installing. This is so nicely pre-plucked. This is a vibe. I love it. Love the hairline. Love a good hairline. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out.
know, with doing a little glam. Guys, I must say I'm extremely impressed with the lace on today's wig from YWigs. I'm extremely impressed. I felt like I wanted to do, you know, a little extra. I didn't want to just do my little two swoops. I didn't want to do the pull back. This is what I wanted to do, and I am loving how it's looking. You know, I did not go in and pluck this any further, by the way. The hair came like this. So please bear in mind, it's not all the wigs that you need to go in and pluck further. I'm not a fan of it being like too far back with the plucking. It's just going to look weird, you know. So when you get some of these wigs, you really don't have to go in and pluck it any further. Going with the loose body waves that it came with for the most part. Yeah, so that's how it's looking, you know, that nice messy body wave vibe. It's like you're not, it's like more effortless, you know, it's cute but you're not trying too hard kind of vibe. So that's definitely what I went in, and that's what I felt to do. So shout out to YWigs. I would 100% recommend this wig because I love the lace so much. It feels nice and silky. There is minimal shedding, so please bear that in mind. But the construction of the wig, the pre-plucked, like the customization they put into this is absolutely gorgeous because you can see that lace, like it's everything. So yeah, I love that about this wig. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, the direct link where you can go ahead and shop it if you're interested. If I do have any discount codes, you'll definitely see it down there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. So just want to stick around, one big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
Oh.